Top 3 facts about Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Fact number 1. The Camaro ZL1 starts at around $65,000 in the US, making it a premium option for enthusiasts who want a car that's both thrilling and practical for everyday use. Fact number 2. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds, and its top speed is over 200 miles per hour, about 320 kilometers per hour. Fact number 3. Driver can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission with rev matching or a 10-speed automatic for smoother shift. And subscribe me for another information about the cars. Top 3 facts about Honda Civic. Fact number 1. The Civic is consistently among the top-selling compact cars in major markets like the United States, Canada, and Asia. Fact number 2. It comes in different types, like sedan, hatchback, and sporty models, so you can choose what suits you best. Fact number 3. Civics are known for their long-lasting engines, with many lasting over 200,000 miles, about 322,000 kilometers. And subscribe me for another information about the cars. Top 3 facts about Nissan GT-R R34. Fact number 1. It's called the Skyline GT-R R34. The Skyline name is iconic in car culture, and it was made between 1999 and 2002. Fact number 2. This car is seen in Fast and Furious Driving by Brian, drives a blue R34 GT-R in a thrilling chase scene near the beginning of the movie. Fact number 3. In some countries, like the US, it's only recently becoming legal to import due to the 25-year import rule. And subscribe me for another information about the cars. Top 3 facts about Audi R8. Fact number 1. The Audi R8 shares its name and spirit with the Audi R8 LMS race car, which has had great success in motorsport, including wins at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Fact number 2. The Audi R8 was the first car in the world to come with full LED headlights as standard, setting a trend in automotive lighting. Fact number 3. Each R8 is handcrafted at Audi's factory in Neckarsulm, Germany, ensuring top-notch build quality and attention to detail. And subscribe me for another information about the cars.